Yo, what's up, y'all? We're here in Lorenzo, Indoor, Madrid. I'm getting ready to change my clothes out right now. Right now, we got Chicho and new dude Nico over there drilling holes in the ground to put poles in for the license course when they get the big CBR 500 and they be doing the exercises, the S's, and all the little things. So we getting that ready right now. And we're gonna do a little bit of riding afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, throw my suit on, and then we'll see you outside. I'm all fitted up right now, man. We ready to rock. I don't want to hear no comments about how crusty I look in this suit, man. These boots, I got duct tape around these boots, man. Struggle boots and a struggle suit. I got two holes in my butt. Y'all see that, man? Looking like a bozo, man, but my race suit looks better. All right, let's go. Where they at, though? This is a spot right here, man. Right now it's like 8 o'clock at night. Came here to do a little bit of work. This is what we're getting done right here. All right, y'all, look like he grinding something down. I'm gonna go ahead and put my do-rag on so I don't get my hair all, messed up. Ready to rock. My gloves, I believe this stuff right here. All right, y'all, we got the bike. This is Honda CB500F. This is the bike that they use in the license courses when you take the test to get your license. This show is brand spanking new almost. Only been ridden a couple times. Yeah, Nico. He didn't hear me. It's cool though. Tell me what's going on. When the helmet goes on, all business, baby. Gorilla mode. Alright, y'all, we about to get busy right now. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tripod so y'all can see what we're doing. But I ain't gonna be doing a lot of talking right now, so a lot more riding, you know what I mean? This is a really interesting drill, man. All right, so these are the rules for this. You can't touch those cones right there, and then those holes over there, you're not supposed to hit them. If you touch one, then you're out. And you can only put your foot down one time. Interesting, man, it's interesting. I like doing different things, trying different things. So. Alright, y'all, check me out. I'm about to do the fastest world record right here, yo. World record. We're gonna go ahead and head back to the house right now. It's like 9 something. It's getting late. Time for dinner, man. All right, y'all can't see me real good, but I'm getting this Honda 110 out for tomorrow. Let me see what numbers. There we go. Gasolina. No, yo voy por gasolina ahora. Y esto no. I'm gonna fill the bike up with gas real quick. We're taking that joint to go to like some motorcycle party thing tomorrow. I'll bring y'all along with me too. Back in la casa. Ooh, I'm about to go pack my stuff. Yo, what's up, y'all? It's the day after right now. I'm getting everything ready right now to take off this morning. We're going to like some motorcycle party, like, I don't know, festival type of thing. We're gonna go there, do like a little exhibition, you know, show off the drills and all that. I'm gonna be riding. And we're just gonna be looking around, checking out the bikes and stuff, man. Hopefully it'll be cool. I never heard of this place or never been there before, so we'll see. I'm about to go upstairs, make some breakfast right now, and then we're gonna take off. So I'll see y'all.